So Infinity works on a ribbon-based structure. So different ribbons will give you access to different tools. Right now, I just want to talk to you about how to import data. We have two simple ways of doing it. One, from the home ribbon, click import. And then you can either A, browse to the location where you want to import from the file explorer here, or you can, from here, you can also navigate and you can copy and paste a folder that you wish to access some data in. And I have a folder here. This is a DBX job file. On the settings, it's a good thing to notice. You can also import deleted points if you have deleted them in the field controller software. And you can also filter the data that you're importing by date or time. There's a number of different files that you can import. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I will record them here on the video just for posterity. And then when you're happy, click import. And this is your data coming in. The other way that you can import data, let me just get rid of this one. Just show you an alternative. Same folder, I can just select the folder that I wish to import in this case, and I will drag and drop it in. That's it. This will work for many other file types as well.